Jai Hind, myself Cadet Aishwarya Manegar from 3 bar 27 Karnataka Battalion. Today I would like to do the seminar on the topic Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. As Mahatma Gandhi ji has said that cleanliness is next to godliness. Sanitation is more important than independence. A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019, said by Shri Narendra Modi as he launched this Swachh Bharat mission at Rajpath in New Delhi. On 2nd October 2014, Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout the length and breadth of the country as a national movement. The campaign aims to achieve the vision of a clean India by 2nd October 2019. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant cleanliness campaign by the Government of India. Shri Narendra Modi led a cleanliness pledge at India Gate, which consists of about 30 lakh government employees across the country joined this cleanliness pledge. He also flagged off a walkathon at Rajpath and surprised the people by joining in not just for a token of few steps but marching with the participants for a long way. While leading this mass movement for cleanliness, the Prime Minister exhorted the people to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of clean and hygiene India. Shri Narendra Modi himself initiated the cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg Police Station, picking up the broom to clean the dirt, making Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as a mass movement across the nation. The Prime Minister said people should neither litter nor let others to litter. He gave the mantra of Na gandagi karenge, na karne denge. Shri Narendra Modi also invited 9 people to join this cleanliness drive and requested each of them to draw 9 more into the same initiative. By inviting people to participate in this drive, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has turned into a national movement. A sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people through this Clean India movement, with the citizens now becoming active participants in cleanliness activities across the nation. The dream of a clean India, once seen by Mahatma Gandhi ji, has begun to get a perfect shape. The Prime Minister has helped a lot in order to spread the message of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by urging people through his words and action. He carried out cleanliness drive in Varanasi as well. He welded and spade near Ganga at Asighat in Varanasi under the Clean India mission. He was joined by a large group of local people who cooperated in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Understanding the significance of sanitation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has simultaneously addressed the health problems that roughly half of the Indian families have to deal with due to lack of proper toilets in their homes. People from different sections of the society has come forward and joined this mass movement of cleanliness, from government officials to jawans, Bollywood actors to sports stars, industrialists to spiritual leaders. All have lined up for the noble work of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Millions of people across the country have been day after day joining this cleanliness initiatives of the government departments, NGOs, local community centers to make India a clean India, organizing frequent cleanliness campaigns to spread awareness about hygiene through play and music is also being widely carried out across the nation. Now let me conclude my seminar by saying that nature has everything to fulfill man's need but not his greed. So being a responsible citizen of this democratic country, let us aim towards clean India, green India, so that the citizens of the country may live longer and stay healthier. Jai Hind.